Hello, welcome back to whatever it is I do here. Guess why we're back here right now? Just take a wild stab. I don't know how to diagnose things. Actually, I'll take that back. It did fix part of the noise. So if you remember my last video, I'm sweating balls, by the way. Redid a hub bearing. Part of the noise is gone. The howling, the loud noise is gone. And hear me out. Initially, the noise went away for the slow speeds over bumps, and then after about a week and a half, it came back. So if you remember, I had those makeshift ball joints, and the studs broke on them years ago when they were over torqued because I'm a genius. I know people are probably sick of watching maintenance on this car, but I'd rather give you some content instead of nothing. I got my ball joints from 034 Motorsport. I also have my dog bone mount for my transmission. That's like the only other part that I have made by them. I've always heard really good things, so I mean, I'm willing to give these guys a try. And the pair was like, I think it was like only 175 bucks. That's pretty good. So here are the puppies. So if any of you guys are familiar with what the OE should look like, the studs are supposed to be pressed into the ball joint. This is my makeshift baloney. It's like a 15 millimeter down here and a 16 up there, so I have to like counter work it off every time I work on my car or drop my control arm. So I'm really excited to like have these intact again. I look like a rat's nest, but that's fine. Been hustling all day, know what I mean? So I just took my rear tires off and they're pretty fucking bald. Front ones aren't terrible, and then my rear brakes are like 3 millimeters. Front brakes are not too far behind that. These are the original brakes on it, and I have a lot of highway miles on here, so the longevity has been insane. But yeah, this is just me complaining about normal things. Then don't buy a car. Oh boy, this is always the fun part. Here's one. I'm gonna keep these nuts and bolts just in case. She's moving. Shit, she's moving. I mean, it sucks working in the heat, but it's like not that bad once you're like in it. I learned this was a pickle fork today. I've seen them, I just never knew the name. I don't know if it matters. It's like dill or bread and butter, but that's important. This is my current situation right now. I'm stuck. I took into consideration the distance between this, but I failed. Alright, so I got this bad boy off. Actually, I just took like a long needle nose and twisted it because it's very difficult to twist it with your finger if you know, or like start to thread it back on to try to get it lower to get the ratcheting wrench out. But yeah, I just spun it a couple times. The nut is off. Pickles are so good. I'm a savory type of gal, so. Oh, we are learning today, let me tell you. She's in there, but we're gonna get her out. I don't know why I have a southern accent right now. One of my favorite comments, it was years ago, someone was like, listen to that Midwestern accent. I bet she makes a mean batch of chocolate chip cookies. And that is like probably my favorite comment I've ever gotten on social media. It's out. The Midwest winners, so. She's not terrible. She doesn't see these salts. Thank God. It is the little things in life. I am so excited to have these bolts again. Seriously. Okay. This new boy is gone. Ooh, my backing plate was made in Spain. How about that? So I'm assuming you just thread it down and it just takes it up right to heaven, huh? So I won't get my ratcheting wrench stuck this time because I will have clearance after it is torqued down. You know, this is like a life or death thing. I should really know. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but whatever. This is funny. Is it funny, Kayla? No. Yes. Big ass clunky camera. Hold on, sweetie. We're gonna get a good image show. So this is what we're dealing with. Okay, so now I'm like torqued down and I can't do this one-handed anymore. A little bit, but you get the idea. So this guy is just gonna get sucked up here, and then we're gonna seat these, and we're gonna torque them down, and we're gonna do the other side. And I don't know if I'm gonna record the other side, because who the hell wants to watch me do that again? You know what's funny? Is like, and I'm gonna jinx myself. The other side is something's gonna happen. I have not run into. I haven't ran. There we go. I haven't ran into like a serious baloney issue And usually I do. It's like, you know, the little side quests when you're doing or repairing something and then this happens and that or that's stuck and blah blah blah. No, I seriously have had really decent luck. So I'm just gonna keep trucking. The fun thing about right now is that I have a tornado watch around me and it's storming. Like, I don't know if you can hear the rain, the fans are on, so it's kind of hard, but almost hit her, bud. The lights are gonna go off soon and I'm gonna freak out because they have automatic lights in here. All right. Not me using my head to fulcrum. Oh my gosh, that was a dumb idea. I'm gonna have to take a shower tonight. Can somebody explain to me? I don't know everything. I am never the person to like act like I know everything because I want to learn. Like, why am I gonna act like I know everything when I want to learn that thing? How the hell? Why is the southern accent out again? How the hell am I supposed to know this is 60 Newton meters when I can't get a socket on it? Like, it says, and the repair instructions, the instructions say that after you do an alignment, you should torque down to 60 Newton meters. Why? I don't know. Shouldn't it be torqued to spec before the alignment? And how do I know? How do I know everything out there? I don't know if that's what is 60 Newton meters? I mean, I know what 60 Newton meters is, but I don't feel it in my arms. Wouldn't that be cool if we were equipped with torque wrenches in our arms? It's not gonna fit. How am I supposed to do that? There it is, in the dark. Oh, keep doing that. I heavily want to consider upgrading my control arms. These look so crusty with the beautiful new 034 Motorsport. I just decided to tighten it as well as I can, whatever feels like 60 Newton meters on. It feels like I don't have work tomorrow. I'm gonna be so exhausted. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here because I just really want to get the passenger side knocked out because I have work tomorrow. Just had a lot going on in my life right now. I was even hesitant to do this. This is like a really big priority though. I have to get this done, but I have like so much other crap going on. Because we're all human and we go through things, and you know what else is really fun sometimes is looking at the meme of the week that I present to you. Was that a weird segue? I don't know. Was it smart? Probably was corny as whatever. Okay, thank you so much for please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all this stuff with the things and the stuff. Bye!